You don't need a perfect accent. You don't need to master grammar first. You don't need to study for years. You don't need a teacher, and you definitely don't need to memorize endless vocabulary. All you need is the right. Hey there, learners! Welcome back to Edupratik, where we turn your English learning struggles into victories. But today, today we are going to bust some of the most insane myths you have probably heard about learning English. Myths that have been holding you back, making you doubt your abilities, and preventing you from speaking confidently. Ready to destroy those? Let's dive in. Alright, let's get this one out of the way. The perfect accent myth. Oh, how many of us have fallen into this trap? You think you need to sound exactly like a native speaker? Right? Well, let me tell you something that's just nonsense. You don't need to have a perfect accent to speak fluent English. In fact, accent has nothing to do with fluency. The truth is, fluent English means you are clear, you are understood, and you speak confidently. At people like Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google, his accent isn't the ideal one, but guess what? He's one of the most successful and influential leaders in the world. His message is crystal and clear, and that's what matters. Fluency is all about clarity, so forget about perfecting the accent. Just speak, be heard, and be confident. Aha! Grammar obsession. This myth is so deeply embedded in our minds that we can't even think of speaking without knowing every little rule. But here's the hard truth. Grammar can come later. I know you might be thinking, what? How can that be? But bear with me. When we were kids, we learned to speak without even knowing what a noun or verb was, right? Did you wait until you understood grammar to say your first word? No, you just spoke and gradually you picked up the rules. So start speaking now. Focus on expressing yourself first, even if it's with basic sentences. You will learn grammar along the way. The real goal is to communicate confidently, not to sit with a textbook for hours while your fear of speaking grows. So speak first and worry about grammar later. Now let's talk about this one. The myth of endless years of study. People say you need to study English for years before you become fluent. Let's just throw this myth in the trash. That's a complete lie. Let me ask you, how long do you think it takes for a person to get good at something? A year? 2 years? Well, guess what? You can improve significantly in just 3 to 6 months with just 30 minutes of consistency practice a day. That's it. The key is daily practice. Spend just a small amount of time practicing speaking, reading, and listening every day, and you will see improvement. It's not about the time you spend, it's all about the consistency. The more you practice, the faster you improve. Oh, the teacher dependency myth. This one is busy. People often think I need to hire a teacher to learn English properly, and I'm like, no. Look, I am not saying teachers are not valuable, but guess what? The internet is your best friend in the world of English learning. You can learn everything from YouTube videos, free apps, podcasts, and even Facebook groups. In fact, self-learning is the future. All you need is a commitment to practice only. And the world of English is at your fingertips. Watch YouTube channels, download language apps, follow English learning blogs. The resources are endless. You don't need a teacher sitting next to you to become fluent. Okay, just grab your phone and get started. Last but not least, the vocabulary overload myth. I know so many people who believe the more words I know, the better my English will be. False. Memorizing a huge list of words is like trying to carry a 100-pound backpack. Completely unnecessary and exhausting. Instead, focus on learning words and phrases that are relevant to your daily life only. If you are a student, learn terms related to studies. If you work in a company, focus on business vocabulary. It's all about quality, not quantity. Just because you can say 100 complicated words doesn't mean you will be fluent. It's the simple, commonly used words that matters. So stop trying to memorizing everything. Focus on real life English. So there you have it, folks, the 5 biggest myths about learning English completely debunked. You don't need a perfect accent. You don't need to master grammar first. You don't need to study for years. You don't need a teacher. And you definitely don't need to memorize endless vocabulary. All you need is the right mindset, consistency, and a willingness to practice. If you found this video helpful and you are ready to start speaking English confidently, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to share this video with your friends who need a little myth busting in their life. See you next time. Keep learning, keep growing, and remember, English is your superpower.